Hi, welcome to Android Application Development. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple toggle button using Java Eclipse. Now, sometimes you may want the user to select whether he wants a specific action or operation of your Android application to be switched on or off. In Android, this is very easy using the toggle button component. A toggle button has simply two states, the on and the off. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to set up and display a toggle buttons with default and customized labels that represent their states. When the user presses a toggle button, its label changes automatically. So to start off, you need to open the Eclipse, and change it into toggle button. Open the Once the Java Eclipse launch, you can now go to File, select New, then Android Application Project. Now you have to specify the application name, the project name, and the package name in the appropriate text fields. So I'm gonna use Google button example. Click next. The next. So the next in the next window, make sure the create activity option is selected in order to create a new activity for your project. Then click next. So this is optional, as you can create a new activity after creating the project, but you can do it all in one step. Click next. Just select blank activity, then next. Now you will be asked to specify some information about the new activity. In the layout name text field, you have to specify the name of the file that will contain the layout description of your application. So in this tutorial, I will uh, create main layout name, then finish. Still loading. So now the next thing to do is to add resources. Use the package explorer in Eclipse to navigate to res, then values, then strings. When you open this the strings.xml file, Eclipse will display the graphical resources view editor. So this is an easy tool you can use to add several resources to your application, like strings, integers, color values, etc. But we are going to use the traditional way, and that is editing the strings.xml file by hand. So click the strings.xml. So you need to delete this one. So I have already downloaded some or downloaded some codes, or you can just type the codes. Strings, string name equals app name Google example string name name settings string name turn dash on turn string name turn turn string name Google bottom bottom label That's it. Then click save. Now, the next thing to do is to create toggle buttons. So to do that, open the rest, then layout, then main. So proceed to the main.xml. So I have already uh, downloaded some codes in the internet. So we need to delete this one. Copy, then paste. Then click save. So the next thing to do to add a click listener to the main button. So go to the Java file that contains the code of the activity that you've created. So just delete this one and paste, copy the codes which I have downloaded earlier. Copy, then click save. So notice that there are some errors. So no need to worry about that. You just need to lay the fingers about the errors, then automatically two quick fixes available will appear. So just click the change package and it will just fix automatically. Same with the Android activity. Click this one, then then create field toggle button one. So just type public, then say another one is toggle button 2. Just click the create, then public, then save, public, then save. There you go. So once you already fix the errors, go back to the main.xml, then press the graphical layout. You can notice that the buttons are in vertical. You can change that into horizontal. Save. There you go. Now, if you notice, there are some yellow signs or warnings here. So to fix this, you need to add